Alright.
Is it on?
It's on.
Yeah, this is moving.
Oh no! Oh no!
I wasn't expecting that.
Shit.
Damn it.
Let's go see what we did. God damn it. I guess it would have been smart to seal the top of it first.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh.
Well, we had a good run at it.
Oh god.
Wire got fired from 2 men in a truck.
Oh shit.
Damn it.
It was a good run at it though, you're right about that.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have took my help. I didn't think it would do that.
Get out.
I totally thought I would have just slid down.